Hi boys and girls in primary 2, 3 and 4 and welcome back for another week of Science Online, STEM Online, and this week is a bit of fun and we are looking at Mentos and Coke. Many people have asked me to do this, so I have given in and we're going to do it, but we're doing a bit of a scientific way. So we've got little bottles of Coke here, so we're not wasting too much Coke, and we've got some Mentos here and we're going to try different numbers of Mentos in the bottles. So I'm going to put 3 in here, 4 in here, 5 in here and 6 in here. And we're going to see what happens to each. Will there be a big difference? Will it be pretty much the same? Will there be one that's particularly brilliant? Now if you don't know this, if you go on YouTube, look up Mentos and Coke, then you will see that what happens is you put the Mentos in and there's a reaction. And you get lots of bubbles coming out. Some are more successful than others, and we'll see how successful we are. But the big point is to compare the 4 amounts. Same amount of Coke, different amounts of Mentos. That's the only variable, that's the only change. What do you think will happen? Now, I am not asking you to do this at home. I am asking you to just seesaw in your ideas on what you think is going to happen. Once you've done that, you can also then put what does happen and why you think it happened. So, Mentos, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What's going to happen with each? Lots of different ideas. So, we'll take it outside, see what happens, give it a try. Okay, send in your ideas now. Okay, so Mentos and Coke, what happens? Why does it happen? Well, a lot of people say it is a chemical reaction, and to be honest, it's not a chemical reaction. It's a physical reaction, and it's the physical bubbles that cause the reaction that you see, the fizzing that you see. So, the reason that Mentos are so good is that they are heavy and they have a large area to get bubbles. So what happens is, they fall quickly, which means they can gather a lot of bubbles on them. They have a large area to gather a lot of bubbles, and as they go down, they gather lots of bubbles, and that's what pushes up. It's the bubbles, and it is not the big chemical reaction. That's not the main cause of the bubbles. It is how quick it falls, because it's quite heavy, and the size of it, which is why it can get lots of bubbles. So 2 reasons, lots of bubbles. It's less about the chemical reaction, it's more about the physical reaction of the bubbles being produced, and so many of them being produced so quickly that causes that reaction. Okay, bye for now.